What is up, guys? We're back with another CES 2023 video, and today we're going to be talking about HyperX. Now, they didn't have a ton of stuff to show us this year, but they did have some pretty interesting things. The first thing is their 3D personalization, which is a bunch of different 3D printed products, and not like buy 3D printer. Like Ryan has he has a decent 3D printer, but it's not like
this.
These are really cool 3D printed items. The first one is actually going to be a custom keycap called Coco the Cat, which is part of their Cozy Cat collection. Now, if you're not into that, you want something a little bit more manly, or something like that. They had two different setups. So they had one setup with sort of like more girly or children's kind of related
softer
things. And then they had the sort of guy side, which was Dungeons, Dragons, pirates, things like that. And they were just kind of showing off their 3D personalization technology and kind of what you can do with it. Now, when it comes to the keycaps, they're going to be doing, one-off, at least to start, they're going to do one-off keycaps. They're going to be $19.99 for the single keycap, and they're going to be doing them in drops, which means that for a lot of these, they're going to be limited edition. You can only get them once. And then as this goes along, they might have some that will always be up on the website, but, you're going to see a lot of one-off drops. And they did say that they are working with select IPs. So, you might get influencers, streamers, esports teams to get custom keycaps and things like that. And not even keycaps. I mean, we saw a lot of different things. We saw, things, button replacements for the mice. Right. We saw really crazy microphone stands.
Complex, just super high design, but things you would never think of as being a microphone holder.
Headphone
holders.
Holders, microphone holder, a dual microphone and headphone holder, which was pretty cool. And then different accessories, so like plates for their headsets, we saw those, which were pretty cool. And then accessories to go on top of the headset, think either bunny ears, or they had these crazy dragon horns and things like that. All these things that you can create. And again, all of these products, none of them beyond the keycaps are going to be out yet or coming out, but they're kind of just seeing what they can do, seeing what people like. And they say maybe down the line you could get your own
custom design
made out, from them, which would be really cool. Our setups are I love my I love customizing my setup back at home. So I think that, somebody who wants a certain custom, they want their keycaps to be the same as their headphone holder, as whatever else, the things they can get 3D printed. If HyperX offers the service,
and these aren't just painted 3D printed pieces either, right? It's part of the 3D printing process. So that the nylon material has the color in it, which
is very
really nice.
High quality. It is very high quality.
It doesn't look like you said, my cheap 3D printer keycaps that I've made. These are awesome.
So a lot of really cool stuff coming when it comes to personalization, which I really like. Once we know more, as far as, I'm really interested in the headset and microphone holders, and then they wouldn't tell us what different IPs they're working with. So it would be interesting to see kind of what
games or movies
or anything things that we can get 3D printed.
Next up, we took a look at the Pulsefire Haste 2. This is an updated version of the Haste. That's actually the mouse that I use full-time at home. I absolutely love this, and this is their lightweight mouse, right? So they have the wired and wireless version of the Haste 2. It's going to be available in both black and white in both versions. The wired version is the lighter of the two because it doesn't have to have that battery in there, obviously. That's going to come in at 53 grams, while the wireless is going to be 61 grams. Now, they've kind of eliminated the honeycomb cutouts on the top of the mouse where your hand rests. They've done some other things to reduce weight, but I think their main focus there was making sure that dust and debris doesn't get into the body of the mouse. That was kind of a concern of theirs. So with the Haste 2, they've made that change. It's still going to come with an extra set of skates on the bottom for the mouse. movement, and then also the rubber pads that you can put onto the mouse if you would like. That was one thing that I really liked with the original Haste, was I could choose which rubber pads went onto the mouse to kind of customize it to my liking. The wired mouse also comes with 8K polling for the mouse, which is really important there for wired gaming. Comes with HyperX switches for the mouse buttons and a custom 26K DPI sensor that they're coming out with. Again, we have two versions. Both of them are available in black or white. The wired version of the mouse is going to be $59 and the wireless version is $79. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for our HyperX content here at CES 2023. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you're looking for more content for CES 2023, be sure to check out the links in the description, and we'll catch you in the next video.